Good evening, everyone. Good morning, anywhere you are now. Okay. Let's start. At first, a quick introduction. We are talking about software. This software called TreeShade, and you can install from Adobe Exchange. Go to exchange.adobe.com and search in Creative Cloud page for the software name. This software is totally free and you can install as an extension for Adobe InDesign, Adobe Bridge, in addition to Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Also, it includes local server, Node.js server. After installing, you will have a file in the root folder. If you go to the root folder, you will have this file main.js. Execute this file as Node.js server. Here I have executed the file. So execute as Node.js server, write node, then main.js. And here I have service ngrok to connect this local server to be online through this domain. This domain is specific and hosted in the local computer, on my computer. It costs about $8 monthly, and if you don't want specific URL, specific domain, it will be free. After running the ngrok service and executing the local server, you need to open the domain once so you can reach the online form from Adobe Bridge. Here we have folder. After creating the root folder, you will have workshop. Inside this folder, put your project files and edit them. And after this introduction, we will talk about dynamic links and auto fixing for the links, in addition to a feature called leaf folder. You can set this feature on by turning this option, dynamic links and leaf folder, on. Just be assured that this is checked. Okay. Let's create an empty folder inside workshop. Let's name SAT Saturday. Here you will have TreeShade menu in Adobe Bridge, and at the beginning here you have submenu, have template files installed with the software, and by clicking at any command, the file will be duplicated in the current folder. Like here, you can create a new text file. Okay, this folder is supposed to be hidden. In Mac OS, it will be hidden. So just ignore the folder and don't delete it. Okay. Let's create a design document and put here inside the folder. Also from submenu, new, you can select Creative Cloud and duplicate in design document from here. It's a shortcut for template files revealed in TreeShade as a command. So you can duplicate any file directly in the current folder. Let's open the document. Okay. At first we have feature that automatically move the file to links folder if you place a file from external location out of TreeShade root folder. You need to be assured that this option, auto import links. So if you place a link from downloads folder or from desktop, the file will be automatically moved to links folder. Let's try and move any file from downloads. Okay, now you will see that TreeShade will automatically create links folder here and move the file inside the folder and relink. So see, you have now links folder and the file relinked to be inside links. Now if you change the file name, see the link automatically renamed and relinked here inside Adobe InDesign. Suppose you want to place dynamic link depending on the page number. Like if you duplicate a file, it will be automatically relinked to the file that has the same page number. So let's make here 18 by 18 centimeters. Okay, now I put the photo on parent page. From TreeShade menu, select set dynamic link on selected, and here you will have dynamic relative path. So if you click OK and duplicate a folder, the new InDesign document will be relink automatically to the new copy inside the new folder automatically. It's helpful and practical in general, but in this situation we want to place the page that have the same number of the current page. Here you have many variables you can use, and one of them page number. It represented by 4 digits. So let's put here, and this is dollar means the reference is to the document, not to the link file, old location, to the old location of the link file. So the relative path to the document itself. So here we have page number 4 digits. Let's write the prefix page. Okay. Now if we override all parent page items to override the image. Now let's save. Or let's update links record. Nothing happened, but let's put image. Here. And let's name page 0001. So we have number 4 digits and prefix the word page. Now we have here a dynamic link on the photo. So if we open here, set dynamic link, we will have that we need to relink automatically to the file inside document location. And I forget to add links folder, because the links inside links folder. So let's set dynamic link on selected, and let's add here links. Okay. Now let's save or update record to see if the link will be relinked automatically to page number 1 to match the page here. So update links record. See, the image automatically changed to page number 1. So if we add let's add some photo. And let's rename with the page number. Okay, now we have 5 image. So let's delete the file here. And here in the parent page, let's set dynamic link. And let's add dynamic path. Here we have a reference to the parent folder of the document, because we have 1 dot. If you add 2 dots, then the parent of parent, and this is dollar to reference the document itself. Write links, and then page, and variable represent the page number as 4 digits. Okay. Now let's apply the parent page on number 1, and let's duplicate insert page 4. So now we have 5 pages. Let's override all parent page items. So all separated from parent. And now if we update the record, or if we save the document, the links will be automatically match the page number here. So click update links record, this command. I forgot to remove the dot. It's wrong, 1 dot. So let's try again. Let's delete the page except the first one. Delete the item from the page. And here in the master page, let's correct the dynamic link. Here we have 1 dot. Okay. Now let's apply the parent page and insert 4. So we have 5 pages. And now let's update, let's override, right click on the page and select override all parent page items. So each link belong to the page itself, not to the parent page. And now, because each file have dynamic link, because before we override the items on the parent page, we set dynamic link. We set dynamic link to the file that have the name page, then page number inside links folder. So let's update links record. See, automatically relinked to the page. There you can customize the way that you want to use dynamic link depending on your project type. As a solution, flexible way, have no specific approach, and you have many variables. You have random, you have time and date variables. You can use any of these. Like document name, if you want to place a link that have the same name of the document. So like cover, the cover of the document. So just prepare the links with the document name, and when you update the document, each document will have its right cover. If you want to change, no need to open the document, just change the name of the linked files. That's it. Here you have parentheses, so the link relinked automatically depending on the current paragraph where the link is placed, anchored as anchored. Here para before. Let's try para before. So this para before require that you put the image in line as anchored. Let's make paragraph style. Okay, now let's put the image and let's write here the number. Let's say 00. Okay, now if we make a dynamic link on this image depending on the paragraph before the image, so select from TreeShade menu, set dynamic link on selected, and here let's write inside links folder we want to place page, and after page we have para before. So the content of the paragraph before the image. And let's click OK. Now if we update links record, the image will be renamed automatically depending on the number here. So if we write here 4, then update from TreeShade menu, it will match page 4, etc. depending on the number. You can update the links record from TreeShade menu, or you can just save the document. Let's save. Do you want to check in? No. So it's changed to number 5. Let's say number 2. Save. Okay, that's it. For leaf concept, if you put image inside folder called leaf, the link will be automatically moved to shared folder, to the folder called leaf, exists inside the parent of all documents that have that file. So it's like automatically float between the documents. So it always exists inside leaf folder called leaf, in the parent of all documents. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any question about installing or using. As we mentioned here, we have 3 features. The first one is auto import links. So you can just place links from your desktop, from downloads from anywhere in your computer, and the placed link will move automatically to be inside the project folder. The second is dynamic link, where you can select a link and from TreeShade menu select this, set dynamic link on selected, and here you can write a dynamic path, have variables, so TreeShade automatically relink to corrected one. You can use all these variables: document order, document name, Mr. full name, Mr. prefix, applied section marker, applied section prefix. You have the flexible and unlimited variables. Here you have time and date. You have random, and the third thing we didn't try, but try it yourself. Put a file inside folder called leaf. So instead of links, create folder called leaf, and try to duplicate the element on different document inside different folders, and see how TreeShade will create a new folder leaf inside the shared parent folder. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to install the software. It's totally free from Adobe Exchange. And if you have any question about installing or using it, just drop a message. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.